Panchayat elections would be, the first notification will be issued tomorrow, that is on 23rd of October. And there will be total 9 phases. Every phase will be separated by about 2 to 3 days gap. And the last phase, which is the 9th phase, will be on 14th of November 2018. In each phase, we will be having the same process of nominations. There will be 7 days time for filing nominations. There will be scrutiny on the next day. If it's a holiday, then the day next to that. And 2 days from then would be the last date of withdrawal. So if you look at it, 23rd October phase, the last date for withdrawal of candidature would be 2nd of November. And in case there is a requirement of poll, then the poll will be taken on 17th of November 2018. So the first phase starts on 23rd October, and in case the polling is required, then the poll date would be 17th of November. I will quickly go through the various phases, the dates of commencement, and the date of poll. The second phase starts on 26th October, and the date of poll is 20th November. The third phase is 29th October. It starts on that day, and the date of poll is 24th of November. The fourth phase is 1st of November. It starts, and the date of poll is 27th November. The fifth phase starts on 3rd of November. The date of poll is 29th November. The sixth phase starts on 6th of November. The date of poll is 1st December. The seventh phase starts on 9th of November, and the date of poll would be 4th of December. The eighth phase is 12th November. The date of poll is 8th of December. And the last phase, that's the ninth phase, is going to commence on 14th November, and the date of poll would be 11th of December. So we expect that all the 9 phases, with the completion of that, the Panchayat elections, all Panchayat Panchas would elect the Sarpanches and Panch for their respective areas. Now, at the time when I had